In this video, we are going to download any file from the using the simple download manager and the URL of the file. So this is our file URL. I just created the class, and in this class, I'm gonna create a function for download the file. So download file, and this function is gonna take our URL of type string. Now we need a download manager to download the file from the URL. So private val download manager. To get the download manager from the system service, we need a context. So we need to provide the context of type context here. This is also going to be the private val context. Get the download manager as a service. Get system service download manager class.java. Now how we gonna download the file from the request download manager dot request provide the url dot. Now we need to set mime type. If you have a type of image, then you need to provide the type as image. If you don't have image type, then you have to provide something else. I have the type as pdf. Let me just provide the pdf and see if it's gonna work. Set allowed network types download manager dot request dot network mobile wi-fi visibility header and everything. Add the request header, which is authorization. I don't think I need any request header here. Destination external public directory, which is environment directory downloads. Provide the title here, which is subpath with file dot pdf, and now simply return this request. This is our request, and now we need to return this download manager enqueue request. Enqueue is basically the simple long. This is the return type. Let me just call this, and we just need to create a download file. You need to do this download file class here, download file, and provide the context here. Call the function, which is direct file, by passing the file URL, and you are go to go. Now if I run this, we are getting some error. It is saying null pointer exception resources android dot get resources on a null object. This is the problem. Android dot content dot rest dot resources permission denial. It needs a permission. Let me just put the internet permission here and rerun the app. Download unsuccessful. The URL is not working properly. Remove this and just provide the URL directly here. Let me check. The download file completed. The download manager is downloading the file. The emulator is working slowly so far. So that's it. The user clicks on the notification, it will open your main activity. On the click of the notification, if you can just open that particular file as per your need. You can open the PDF viewer of the device by providing the intent action view. So you can simply create a PDF viewer in your app and show that PDF into that your own app. That's it for this video. If you like this video, click like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to the channel, press the bell icons, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.